லைக் பண்ணுங்க, ஷேர் பண்ணுங்க, சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணுங்க. சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணாதவங்க சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணுங்க. Thank you.
This video Education and GK Part 40 consists of TRP questions and answers from 2001 to 2003. It will be useful for CTET, TET, TRB exams. Question 1. In the word personality, persona means A. The physical features of the actor, B. The actor, C. The mask worn by the actor, D. The dress worn by the actor. Answer C. The mask worn by the actor is the correct answer. Question 2. The child's first teacher is option A. The pre-primary teacher, B. The primary teacher, C. The parent, D. The society. Answer C. Parent is the right answer. Question 3. The book titled Education for a Better Social Order was written by option A. Rousseau, B. Russell, C. Maslow, D. Aurobindo. Answer B. Russell. Question 4. Diversified curriculum at the higher secondary level was implemented in the year option A. 1947, B. 1951, C. 1968, D. 1978. Answer D. 1978 is the right answer. Question 5. The new educational policy of 1986 was implemented by option A. Indira Gandhi, option B. Rajiv Gandhi, option C. Mahatma Gandhi, option D. None. Answer B. Rajiv Gandhi is the right answer. Question 6. Navodaya schools are managed by option A. The state governments, option B. The central government, option C. Private authorities, option D. Both central and state governments. Answer B. The central government is the right answer. Question 7. The present system of education is option A. Child-centered, B. Subject-centered, C. Teacher-centered, D. All of this. Answer is A. Child-centered. Question 8. A laissez-faire teacher excuses option A. More control, option B. Less control, option C. No control, option D. Full power. Answer C. No control. Question 9. DTERT is expanded as option A. Directorate of Teaching, Education, Research and Training, option B. Directorate of Teacher Education, Research and Training, option C. Distance Teaching, Education, Research and Training, option D. Distance Teacher Education and Reteaching. Answer B. Directorate of Teacher Education, Research and Training is the correct answer. Question 10. The theory of hierarchy of needs was proposed by option A. Abraham Maslow, option B. Jean Piaget, option C. Bertrand Russell, option D. McClelland. Answer A. Abraham Maslow is the right answer. Question 11. Formula to calculate intelligence quotient is option A. IQ equal to mental age divided by chronicle age into 100, option B. IQ equal to mental age divided by chronicle age into 100 plus or minus 5, option C. IQ equal to chronicle age divided by mental age into 100 plus or minus 5, option D. IQ equal to chronicle age divided by mental age into 100. Answer is A. IQ equal to mental age divided by chronicle age into 100. Question 12. Frederick J. MacDonald established option A. Sainik schools, option B. Community schools, option C. Mobile schools, option D. Public schools. Answer C. Mobile school is the right answer. Question 13. The floating university visited the Madras Harbour in the year option A. 1977, option B. 1978, option C. 1979, option D. 1980. Answer B. 1978 is the right answer. Question 14. In Tamil Nadu, the Sainik school is located in option A. Coimbatore, option B. Salem, option C. Tiruchirappalli. Option D, Kanyakumari. Answer A, Coimbatore is the right answer. Question 15. The Sargent Report of 1944 insisted on the establishment of option A, pre-primary schools, option B, primary schools, option C, vocational schools, option D, public schools. Answer C, vocational schools is the right answer. Question 16. The university at Tanjavur offers exclusive courses in option A, computers, B, Tamil literature, C, Oriental languages, D, all subjects. Answer B, Tamil literature is the right answer. Question 17. Tachistoscope is used to measure option A, span of attention, B, span of learning, C, span of forgetting, D, span of teaching. Answer A, span of attention is the right answer. Question 18. Pavlov propounded the theory of A, classical conditioning, B, operant conditioning, C, general conditioning, D, none of these. Answer A, classical conditioning is the correct answer. Question 19. Jean-Jacques Rousseau was a great educator of option A, 16th century, B, 17th century, C, 18th century, D, 19th century. Answer C, 18th century is the right answer. Question 20. What nutrition and reproduction are to the physiological life, education is to social, said A, John Dewey, B, A.S. Neal, C, Grovel, D, Rousseau. Answer A, John Dewey is the correct answer. Question 21. The concept of level of aspiration was first introduced by A, Magellan, B, Dumbo, C, Maslow, D, Binet. Answer B, Dumbo is the right answer. Question 22. The Noise Child and the Silent Mind was written by A, J. Krishnamurti, B, John Dewey, C, Bertrand Russell, D, Aurobindo. Answer A, J. Krishnamurti is the correct answer. Question 23. Who is the psychologist who experimented on conditioning? A, Guilford, B, Pavlov, C, Maslow, D, Sheldon. Answer B, Pavlov is the correct answer. Question 24. One of the main objectives of educational technology is A, individualizing instruction, B, direct means of communication, C, techniques to improve the infrastructure, D, choosing from alternate media. Answer A, individualizing instruction is the correct answer. Question 25. Which one of the following is not associated with the steps of creativity? A, incubation, B, preparation, C, inspiration, D, conclusion. Answer D, conclusion is the correct answer. Question 26. Logical thinking is A, convergent thinking, B, divergent thinking, C, reasoning, D, creative thinking. Answer A, convergent thinking is the correct answer. Question 27. Which one of the following is not in the scoring categories of Rorschach's inkblot test? A, contents, B, originality, C, location, D, dominance. Answer D, dominance is the correct answer. Question 28. The chief propounder of the theory of identical elements in transfer of training was A, Woodworth, B, Joad, C, Thorndike, D, Bagley. Answer C, Thorndike is the correct answer. Question 29. What is the educational significance of Article 45 of the Constitution of India? A, condition of work ensuring a decent standard of life, B, provision for securing the right to work, D, importance of universal primary education, C, provision for free education. Answer C, provision for free education is the correct answer. Question 30. Sainik School in Tamil Nadu is located at A. Kaveri Nagar, B. Amaravati Nagar, C. Kongu Nagar, D. Ashok Nagar. Answer B. Amaravati Nagar is the correct answer. Question 35. Why have examinations was the opinion of A. Skinner, B. A.S. Neil, C. Aurobindo, D. Ivan Illich. Answer B. A.S. Neil is the correct answer. Question 31. Choleric group of people are those whose temperamental characteristic is one of the following: A. Emotionally weak, B. Emotionally strong, C. Bodily weak, D. Spiritually strong. Answer B. Emotionally strong is the correct answer. Question 32. The first principle of true teaching according to Aurobindo is A. Learning by doing, B. Nothing can be taught, C. Life-centered teaching, D. Life-oriented education. Answer B. Nothing can be taught is the correct answer. Question 33. Nothing succeeds like success is an illustration law of A. Readiness, B. Effect, C. Use, D. Disuse. Answer C. Use is the correct answer. Question 34. Intentional and forcible avoidance of painful tendencies from the field of consciousness is called A. Selective forgetting, B. Repression, C. Suppression, D. Withdrawal. Answer B. Repression is the correct answer. Question 35. Three concepts that characterize concrete operations are A. Compensation, ecocentrism, and object permanence, B. Compensation, reversibility, and identity, C. Ecocentrism, animism, and realism, D. Animism, reversibility, and object permanence. Answer B. Compensation, reversibility, and identity is the correct answer. Question 36. Rorschach's ink blot test is the most popular test for A. Intelligence, B. Aspiration, C. Motivation, D. Personality. Answer D. Personality is the correct answer. Questions 37 to 50 GK questions from BGTRP from the year 2001 to 2003. Question 37. Who was the first President of India? A. Dr. Rajendra Prasad, B. Dr. Rajagopalachari, C. Dr. Radhakrishnan, D. V.V. Cree. Answer A. Dr. Rajendra Prasad is the correct answer. Question 38. What is a light year? A. Kind of year, B. A measure of time, C. A measure of distance, D. The distance travelled by light in a year. Answer D. The distance travelled by light in a year is the correct answer. Question 39. Kalingathu Parani was written by A. Kambar, B. Jayankondar, C. Seklar, D. Avayar. Answer B. Jayankondar is the correct answer. Question 40. Rajaraja Sola built A. Kangikonda Solapuram, B. Bragadiswara Temple, C. Meenakshi Temple, D. Mahabalipuram Shore Temple. Answer B. Bragadiswara Temple is the correct answer. Question 41. Marathon race is A. 26 miles and 385 yards, B. 21 miles and 385 yards, C. 32 miles and 385 yards, D. 19 miles and 385 yards. Answer A. 26 miles and 385 yards is the correct answer. Question 42. The author of the book Wings of Fire is A. Annie Besant, B. APJ Abdul Kalam, C. Jawaharlal Nehru, D. Maulana Abul Kalam Azad. Answer B. APJ Abdul Kalam is the correct answer. Question 43. The memory of a computer is commonly expressed in terms of kilobytes or megabytes. A byte is made up of A. 8 binary digits. Option B. 8 decimal digits. C. 2 binary digits. D. 2 decimal digits. Answer A. 8 binary digits is the correct answer. Question 44. The World Cup Football 2002 has been won by A. South Korea, B. Germany, C. France, D. Brazil. Answer D. Brazil is the correct answer. Question 45. The capital of Uttaranchal state is A. Raipur, B. Dehradun, C. Ranchi, D. Dispur. Dehradun is the correct answer. Question 46. The temple tower found in the Tamil Nadu government state symbol is located in A. Madurai, B. Sirluttur, C. Tanjavur, D. Rameswaram. Srivilliputtur is the correct answer. Question 47. The Mother Teresa Women's University was started in Tamil Nadu in the year A. 1978, B. 1980, C. 1984, D. 1985. Answer C. 1984 is the correct answer. Question 48. In Tamil Nadu, the most recently established university is A. Manonmaniam Sundarnar, B. Periyar, C. Valluvar, D. Alagappa. Here, Alagappa University is established in 1985. Manonmaniam Sundarnar University is established in 1990. Periyar University is also established before. Therefore, Valluvar University is the correct answer. Answer C. Valluvar. Question 49. The Supreme Commander of the Defence Forces of India is A. The Prime Minister, B. The Chief of Army Staff, C. The President, D. The Defence Minister. Answer C. The President is the correct answer. Question 50. The boundary line demarcating India and Pakistan is known as A. McMahon Line, B. Durand Line, C. Maginot Line, D. Radcliffe Line. Here, McMahon Line is located in between India and China. Therefore, D. Radcliffe Line is the correct answer. Answer D. Radcliffe Line.
லைக் பண்ணுங்க, ஷேர் பண்ணுங்க, சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணுங்க. சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணாதவங்க சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணுங்க. தேங்க்யூ.